Captainers nga laban sa lahat. So dito nga nag-invite ako ng 3 Q user para makalaban ko. Full build nga sa bayan, any item, no spell. Unang game, Captainers nga laban kay LNTC.
We will win this battle. No evil deeds will be tolerated.
First blood.
Round 2, let's G.
My fists are my weapon. You should know better.
Talaga naman ang last niya, idol, last round.
No evil deeds will be tolerated. We will win this battle.
You have slain an enemy.
So ayun na nga, 1-2 ang score. Captainers naman laban kay TikTok to play safe.
You should know better.
You have slain an enemy.
My fists are no evil deeds will be tolerated.
So ito na nga ang last round.
We fight so the future generations don't have to.
Slain an enemy.
Doon na nga natapos ang laban, 2-1 ang score. Huling laban nga, Captainers nga laban kay Kencho Official.
Stay cool when things get hot. No evil deeds will be tolerated.
Our turret has been destroyed. You have been slain.
Grabe naman talaga yun, naging dikit ang laban.
Step by step, we're getting closer to victory. You should know better. Speed and strength, we are here to make this world a better place. No evil deeds will be tolerated.
You have slain an enemy.
So doon na nga nagtatapos ang laban sa 2-1 na score. At patuloy nga ako naghahanap ng pwedeng makasama sa mga susunod na content ko.